from the question we can see that the current price, which has a 10% reduction, is 864, right? So now let the selling price with 20%, that won't be equal to x. If it is x, then its percentage of that selling price is going to be 100%. So that is 100%. Therefore, we can say 100% is equal to x, since we didn't know the actual price that he wanted to sell before the reduction. Now let us go back to the one with reduction. So the one with reduction here, now since 10% has been reduced from that, so the new selling price, percentage of new selling price, that is going to be 100. Let's say 100, this is 100 minus 10%, and that's going to be 9%, of which from the question we were given that that new selling price, the new selling price is 864. So it is with this that we are going to find the value. Let us find the actual value that he wanted to sell that before giving out 10% reduction to the customer. So in order to find that, we can just find out straight away with say cross multiplication method. Say, let's say here now, the 100%, let 100 over 90 to be equals to, the price of this one is x because we did not know, and the price of this one is 864. When we cross multiply this now, that is going to lead us to this area, of which we are going to have 90x to be equals to 864 times 100. So with that, we are going to have 90x to be equals to 86400. Divide both sides by 90, then x is going to be 86400 over 90, which is going to give, well, if we do that very well, we are going to get our x to be 960. So that is the part 1 of this question. We are not done with it yet. We've gotten 960 as the actual value. We still want to find out the original cost, the cost by which the seller or the shop owner actually bought it from the market. That is the value we are looking for. So we have just gotten the original value with 20% gain, right, which is 960. So that is, so let's continue from there. We need to clean this board. So now price with 20%, price with 20%, now price with 20%, that's equals to 960 from what we have gotten so far. Now in order to find the actual amount, now this price is with 20%, right? Therefore let that cost price CP from the market equals to 100%. If that is 100%, we didn't know that, and then it's equals to x. The price is x, so we didn't know it. Therefore the selling price here now is going to be 100 plus 20%, which is equals to 120%, and that is also equal to 960 naira. So we can go back to the way we did the previous one in order to get whatever our final answer or the cost price we are looking for. So it depends on how we arrange the percentage. So we can just say that our 100%, which is cost price, over selling price, which is 120, equal to, we didn't know this one, it's x over the 960, which is for the selling price. Now let's cross multiply again. When we do that, we are going to get 120x equals to 960 times 100. So which is going to give 120x equals to 960 times 100 is 96123. Therefore our answer goes thus. It's going to divide both sides by 120, then our x is going to be 96,000 divided by 120. So our x is going to be final, which is going to be is that not 8? Okay, when this 0 cancel this 0, so 12 in 96 is going to be 8, and that is 800. So the cost price is 800 naira, and that is the solution to the question.